First, the definition of rock. Rock is an aggregate of mineral bounded by strong cohesive force. Aggregate of minerals bounded by strong cohesive force. This is the definition of rock. Now, coming to the soil. Soil is basically classified into three types. Those are, first one is agriculturist soil. Next, it is mainly classified into geologist. And coming to the third one, it is civil engineer. Like soil is mainly used by the agriculturist and the geologist, and last but not least is civil engineer. Now, the agriculturist, what he is going to do is, the loose material consists of organic matter that supports plant life. Like mainly here, the agriculture is. Now, coming to a geologist, what he is going to do is the disintegrated rock. Disintegrated rock which cannot transport from its origin. That is, it cannot change from its place. Next, coming to civil engineer, what civil engineers are going to do is mainly loose unconsolidated material formed by weathering of rocks. Now, the meaning of weathering is disintegrated and decomposition of organic matter. Disintegration and decomposition of organic matter. And now one more, mainly the geotechnical engineering is divided into two topics. Those are soil mechanics and foundation. The foundation is is like it should be constructed on the soil. Now if we take a block, in this, like it is a soil sample where the soils are present, solids. These are all solids. Solids. And the space between the soils are, we call it as voids. The voids are, it may be water or air or both. Like mainly in soil sample we have solids and voids. In this voids it may contain water or air or both. And next, soil consists of solids and voids. Now soil depends on mainly 5 types. Those are first one is particle size. That is, it may be gravel, sand, it may be silt and clay. Now the second one is shape of particle. The third one is arrangement of particles. Now coming to fourth one, is moisture content. And coming to fifth one is stress history. Now once again I am repeating it once again. Soil depends on particle size. It may be gravel, sand, silt and clay. Coming to second one, it is shape of particle. Coming to third one is arrangement of particles. Like it may be angular, cylindrical, like that. And coming to fourth one is moisture content. It is represented as W. Fifth one is stress history. Generally if we represent, we can take like this. This is a ground surface, ground level we call it as. In this, solids will be present. In soil we will have solids and somewhat water and other is air. So here voids may be air or water? Voids may be air, water or both.